Hello guys, welcome back. Sorry that my camera is looking like this, but it's busy charging, so yeah, we are back. So yeah, we are playing Timmy Trumpet on my speaker, if you can see there. And here behind me is my shelf. I will show you my GTA game. It's very cool. I sponsor you to get it. It is Xbox 360, GTA 4. If you have it, it's a cool game. I'm struggling with the missions. I have a Super GT, I can get the cheats. So yeah, I'm playing not right on the game. I'm struggling with the mission and the save crashed, so now I need to start over. It's a very nice game. I hope you get it. So that we can play it online. Where I play it online, first I need to get my gold membership again right, because it's expired, and my name thing is Junk Bumblebee. I am on Xbox Live, so then we can play online. I hope you will like for me Jelly, Roman, Edward, Slogo Man, Cop. So I like your videos. Jacksepticeye. So like, because I like, and subscribe. So yeah, and Jelly, they played your song at the word school. It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, way ya. That song they played. And I have your jelly time video, and I have the song, so leave a like. I like your videos. Please, Jelly, Cop, Slogoman, Roman, Atwood, Jackson. Bye.